Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I am going to show you how do you get your Snapstreak back. So this is going to be quick and easy. So let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open Snapchat. Now here, what you want to do is tap on your profile icon on the upper left corner. Tap on the settings icon on the upper right corner. And here, scroll down, and under feedback, tap on I spotted a bug. From this one, you can tap on friends. And from the topics, you can choose Snapstreaks. Okay, now you can type your message in here. And if you have some screenshots of the issue, you can also attach it here. Simply click this one and choose your screenshot over here. And after that, you can tap on submit. So Snapchat is going to review your feedback, and they are going to get back at you after 24 hours. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.